Next week, you are going to begin a student survey. Why are we going to be taking this student survey? We want to hear from you. To better support you, our school and all of your teachers would like to ask some questions about how you feel about school and yourself. We would love to learn more about you. These surveys help us provide you with the best education possible. Your voice is important. Only your teachers and school leaders will be able to see your responses, and these responses will not be used as a grade. We want you to answer honestly. There are no right or wrong answers. Your voice is important. So thank you for sharing your thoughts and your experiences. What do your answer choices mean? You're going to be asked questions about your feelings, and they may look like this, your possible answers. Not at all excited, slightly excited, somewhat excited, quite excited, and extremely excited. If you're not at all excited about something, you're not. Big no. Slightly excited, maybe a little, but not really. In the middle, you could take it or leave it. Quite excited means you're very excited, and extremely excited is super excited, like you're jumping up and down excited. And we could also discuss how it would be situational. So I could say I'm not at all excited to go to school today. But if I compare it to going to the doctor, then I might say I'm slightly excited to go to school today because I'm not at all excited to go to the doctor. I'm not at all excited to go to school today. So let's practice. What's something you are not at all excited to do? I want you to go ahead and pause your video and turn to your neighbor and tell them what you're not excited about. I'm a bit excited to go to school today. Let's practice. What's something you are a bit excited to do? Go ahead and answer. Somewhat or in the middle. I am somewhat excited to go to school today. Let's practice. What's something you are somewhat excited to do? Quite or very. I am very excited to go to school today. Let's practice. What's something you are very excited to do? Extremely or super. I am extremely excited to go to school today. What's something you are extremely excited to do? How often something happens. Almost never, which means it does not happen. Once in a while, a few times. Sometimes is sometimes. Frequently means a lot, and almost always is almost all the time. What are the survey questions asking you? What do positive and negative energy mean? Positive is good or happy, negative is bad or sad, and energy is your feeling or the mood, the vibe of the room. Let's practice. When do you feel positive? And who has good energy? What does participate mean? Participate means to take part in or be a part of something. How do you participate in class? What does behavior mean? Behavior is how someone is acting. Help and helpful make things easier. Hurt or hurtful means that it makes it harder. Let's practice. What's an example of helpful behavior? What does expectations mean? Expectations, how someone thinks you can do. High expectations, someone thinks you can do great things. Let's practice. Do you have high expectations for yourself this year? What does focus mean? Expectations is to pay attention. So let's practice. What helps you focus in class? Can't wait to hear your responses on this one. What do encourage and support mean? Encourage means to help you, and support also means to help you. So let's practice. Who encourages you to work hard? What does bully mean? Bully or bullied means being picked on regularly. So this happens over and over again. What does respect mean? Respect or respectful means being nice. Disrespect or disrespectful means not being nice. So let's practice. How are you respectful to your teacher? What does complicated mean? Complicated means it's tricky to know what something means. Maybe confusing. What does talented mean? Talent or talented, having the ability to do something well. Let's practice. What is something you are talented at? What are topics? Topics, the new knowledge you learn during class. Let's practice. What is a topic you like to learn about? What does effort mean? Effort means the work you put in to do something. Let's practice. What is something that takes a lot of effort? What does it mean to be relaxed? Relaxed is a feeling of happy and comfortable because nothing is worrying you. What does confident mean? Confident is a feeling that you can do something well. What does it mean to feel pressured? Pressure is a feeling that you must do something. Intelligence. Intelligence is how smart you are. What are emotions? Emotions are how you feel. Happy, sad, angry, tired. What does it mean to control your emotions? Control is to be in charge, and emotions is how you feel. What does it mean to pursue a goal? Pursue is to keep trying to reach something. A goal is something that you want. What are distractions? A distraction is something that stops you from paying attention. That was your vocabulary mini lesson. We're going to use these words next week in our survey.